Today I have a Canon LBP6230 printer, and this printer problem is paper pickupping problem, and sometimes paper is not pickupping from this tray, and today I will fix this very simple and easy way. Hopefully you can do this job in your home. Okay, let's see the problem. Press and hold this button for 10 seconds, and it's taking command, and you can hear this noise, and it's try to pickupping, but it's could not. You can see this here is showing error signal. Okay, this is the problem. Today I'll fix this. Let's open the cartridge, and this is the pickup roller. Okay, this pickup roller may be problem. Today I'll open this and clean this. Okay, let's open and clean it. This one is open, and I will exchange this position. Okay, and this part I will use this here, and this part I will use this here. Okay, I will exchange this position. Let's open it. I am using fresh water. Okay. This is absolutely fine. Set up. Okay. Install the cartridge. Press and hold this paper button. You can see this, and this is absolute good. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.